Welcome to Kaiser International Long-Term Healthcare presentation. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated is duly accredited with the Department of Health. It is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. Kaiser's board of directors are seasoned experts in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry, with its president and medical director Dr. Ramon B. Abrigan Jr., a former DOH head executive assistant, a former consultant to the DOH secretary and a former member of Medical Board of Examiner Philippine Regulation Commission. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated, as an HMO company, caters to both corporate, group, family and individual accounts with our various short-term plan packages that would suit your healthcare requirements. We offer the following HMO plans: Kaiser Health Card Individual, Kaiser Health Card Family, Kaiser Health Card Mini Group, Kaiser Health Card Group, Kaiser Health Card Corporate, Senior Care Plan Daily Health Plan. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated is also offering a one-of-a-kind HMO product, the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. It is a 7-year pain and 13-year waiting plan, designed to provide healthcare beyond that of an HMO. It allows individuals to save during employment while still being covered by company's health plan. It geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after employment and retirement years. Securing a more comfortable elderly life, Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare is 3-in-1. It is protection plus investment plus healthcare. The saving period is 7 years. And during this period, there are already benefits and entitlements. I will discuss them later. The extended period is 13 years. And during this period, the benefits are also upgraded. 7 plus 13 is 20 years. Your Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare plan matures in 20 years. The beauty of Kaiser Long-Term Plan is your money is strategically invested mostly in mutual funds. Your money grows 6 to 10% per annum. Here are the benefits during accumulation period. 1st to 7th year. Number 1. Annual physical exam. To be administered by an accredited service provider. APE coverage, Basic 5. Physical examination, chest X-ray, routine fecalysis, routine urinalysis, complete blood count ECG for members above 35 and pap smear for female members above 35 years old or as required. Number 2. Dental benefits. Unlimited dental checkups, unlimited simple tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, recementation of jacket, crowns, inlays, onlays and minor adjustment of dentures. Number 3. Waiver of installment due to death or credit life. If the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 70, the proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of this contract price upon approval of the claim by the insurance company, if any. The difference, if any, shall be paid to this designated beneficiaries. Number 4. Waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. If the member becomes totally disabled during the accumulation period and before his 60th birthday, thereby preventing him from engaging in any occupation for compensation or profit, is so disabled for life, and such disability continues for at least 6 months, Kaiser shall waive the payment of each installment becoming due during the life, and such disability. However, pending approval of the claim, installments should be paid as they fall due, subject to refund upon approval. Term life insurance coverage. If the member dies before attaining the age of 70 years and prior to this entitlement to the long-term care benefit as indicated in the schedule of benefit, his beneficiary shall be entitled to an amount equal to the sum of long-term care benefit and long-term care bonus upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. Accidental death and dismemberment. Should the member suffer, directly and independently of all other causes, any bodily injury effected solely through external, violent and accidental mean, occurring prior to the member's 70th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, which result in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, The insurance company will pay the following: dismemberment, loss of both hands 100%, loss of both feet 100%, loss of one hand and sight of one eye 100%, loss of one foot and sight of one eye 100%, loss of both sight 100%, loss of one hand and one foot 100%. Number 5. Basic medical health benefits. Accredited, physician's fee, specialist's fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist's fee. Operating room. Hospital intensive care. Number 6. Members' choice of room and board, up to 1,000 pesos per day. Number 7. Yearly benefit limit starting 50,000 pesos a year. During the extended years, 13 years. Since it is also an investment product, the funds have an extended period or what we call growing and waiting period, as the funds are allowed to be invested and grow at an average rate of 10%. The plan holder no longer needs to contribute in his account but just have to wait for its maturity. The funds inside Kaiser are invested in mutual funds handled by one of the top investment companies in the Philippines. The benefits in this period include the same as the accumulation period, but the payments are already deducted from the funds inside Kaiser. Term life insurance for 20 years, starting at the accumulation period up to the end of extended period. Accidental death and dismemberment for 20 years, starting at the accumulation period up to the end of extended period. Lifetime network access to over 500 major hospitals. Additional health bonus when the market is at top performance. Receives the Visa card after full contribution from the accumulation period during the long-term care period, beyond 20 years. Upon maturity, the plan holder will receive the following benefits. Total accumulation of unused health benefits. Long-term care benefit or the plan coverage. Long-term care bonus, up to 85% of return on premium contributed when there are no claims, for example hospitalization during the accumulation period, rendering the plan almost cost-free. Additional health benefits when the market is at top performance. All the above benefits will be good as cash. The plan holder now has the option to withdraw all the money, or take half of it, or let it accumulate until retirement years, continuing to grow at an average rate of 10% per year. Upon age 60 or 65, the person can then decide to convert it as pension type, example getting the annual interest only per year, or withdraw it all as lump sum retirement fund. What's the difference between short-term and long-term healthcare? Short-term healthcare is the traditional HMO. Here are the key features. Number 1. Renewal not guaranteed if with claims. Number 2. Yearly increase of premium until age 60. Number 3. Generally no insurance coverage. Some provide insurance, but very low coverage. Number 4. No accumulation of unused health fund. Number 5. No return of premiums for non-utilization. Number 6. Covers only up to age 60. Number 7. Pre-existing illness is not covered during the first year and lifetime or permanent exclusions may be issued on the second year onwards. Number 8. Not flexible, non-transferable benefit design. Number 9. Reinstatement is limited only within 30 days of lapsed policy. And number 10. Continuous yearly payment terms. On the other hand, long-term healthcare is a healthcare savings account. Here are the benefits. Number 1. Renewal is guaranteed. Number 2. Fixed premiums for 7 years. Number 3. With 4-way insurance coverage up to the long-term healthcare plan. It has term life, accidental death and dismemberment, waiver of installment due to death, waiver of installment due to permanent and total disability. Number 4. All unused health fund accumulates with interest. Number 5. With return of premiums up to 85% of contract price for non-utilization during the paying period. Number 6. Covers beyond age 60 with long-term care yields. Number 7. Pre-existing is not covered during the accumulation period. No exclusions after the 7th year of coverage. Number 8. Flexible, transferable, upgradable and may be redated benefit design. Number 9. Reinstatement within 2 years of lapsed policy. Number 10. 7 years of spot cash payment options. Why do you need healthcare? Because if you're sick, you cannot make money. If you're sick, without healthcare, your investment becomes healthcare. Hospitals cannot let you in without deposit. A lot of sick people die not because of no medicine but because of no money. Why do you need to own a long-term healthcare? You cannot bring with you the healthcare benefits provided by your company when you retire. Most sicknesses appear when you retire. Healthcare is very expensive at old age. Why do you need to own Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare? The beauty of Kaiser Long-Term Care program is that when a person gets sick, it is a health fund, but if not, it becomes your savings. Unlike the traditional healthcare where the person contributes per year, and when he doesn't get sick, no return of premium is available. The Kaiser long-term plan covers beyond age 60 and above basing on the health funds accumulated in your account. Payment for Kaiser is so easy. You can pay in check. You can pay using credit card. You can pay in cash or through cash deposit. We also have our online facility through e-app. Everything just became easier and more convenient with Kaiser's online policy management system. Visit our website or contact us through the numbers that appear on your screen. As a final note, why don't you enjoy the IMG benefits? Just follow the 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enroll membership. Enroll one time, become a member for a lifetime. For only 3,700 pesos enrollment fee, you will be educated in all aspects of your personal finance, understand investment, healthcare, insurance, estate preservation and so much more. Step 2. Secure your 3-in-1 startup investment. Own a Kaiser Long-Term Care. It is protection, investment, and healthcare. Once you own Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare, you will get direct access to a complete selection of financial products and services. Step 3. Be the broker or dealer of all your financial needs. You become one-stop shop with powerful strategic product providers, the big boys of the financial industry. Discover more advantages using the IMG brokerage platform. Enroll your membership now. Financial security is not a dream but a priority. Please like and share our page, slowly but surely, Yaman Ka. Thank you for watching.